Hey peeps, Julian here from Tutoring, and as always, it's such a pleasure to join you. Today we are on question 3 from the 2017 IEB Maths Lit Paper 1. And this question deals with sketching the elevation from a picture. It says, a family decides to go on a holiday and books a chalet in the game park. The chalet looks like the picture alongside. This is the picture of a chalet. It says, if the sketch of the north elevation of the chalet looks like the sketch below, sketch the west elevation. So you can see that they've given us the sketch of the north elevation, and we can see that it matches this picture here. So at the top, there's the sort of windows from the top part of the chalet, and then the door and bottom windows, which matches the sketch that they've done here. They've also said that this is the north elevation, so that means we're looking at from over there. So that means that north is up like that. So if we draw in, that means that north needs to be there, and we draw in our compass points. So this is north, and you know the directions of a compass. It goes north, east, south, west. Okay, so that means that if we need to draw the west elevation, it's going to be the arrow pointing like this. If this is the north one, the arrow pointing like this. So of the chalet, it's going to be of this side of the house. So drawing it here, it needs to, so you'll see that you won't see a triangular shape. If you're looking at it head on, it'll look more like a rectangular shape. So it'll look something like this. Okay, with the roof. So you would see the roof line. It'll appear flat if you're looking at it at flat on, and this part is the roof. So the roof will be this part over here, and then you can just see that there are just 2 windows over there. So we need to draw the 2 windows. And it seems for windows and stuff that they shade it in a bit, so you can, using very lightly, just shade that in, and you need to shade the windows in just like they've done over here. And that's 3 marks. That concludes this question. So before I go, I'd just like to give a special thanks to our epic sponsors for making this video possible. Read more about them in the description below. Be sure to visit our website for more of these epic tutorial videos. Remember, if you can't find the answer to your question, send us your question and we'll respond with a personalized video just for you. And until next time, stay epic.